Cataracts are a natural part of the aging process that result from an accumulation of proteins in the inner lens of the eye, causing the natural lens to become blurry or cloudy. A healthy, clear lens focuses light onto the retina at the back of the eye to produce sharp images. A lens affected by a cataract, however, filters light much in the same way a dirty window does, letting less light through. This is why a person with cataracts experiences vision that is described as hazy, cloudy, or generally dim. Because cataracts are progressive, the lens will continue to get worse over time. Cataract surgery is a permanent solution to reverse the vision impairment caused by cataracts. Cataract surgery removes the clouded natural lens and replaces it with an artificial lens implant called an intraocular lens, or IOL. It's a simple procedure that takes very little time, is virtually painless, and helps restore your vision almost immediately, even if you have had previous LASIK or PRK procedures. At Summit Eye Care, we are proud to offer a variety of IOL options to meet your visual goals, including the revolutionary light-adjustable lens from RxSight. This advanced intraocular lens technology provides the doctor total control and customization of your visual outcome. In traditional cataract surgery, your doctor selects a lens option without knowing how well the lens and your eyes will work together, which can result in nuances that may not achieve perfect vision across all distances and may require you to wear glasses. The light-adjustable lens is implanted in the same way as other IOLs, but is made from a special photoreactive material, which your doctor can adjust after surgery with specialized ultraviolet light treatments. These pain-free UV treatments give your doctor the ability to change the shape of your lens, allowing you to test different visual outcomes with confidence to see what works best for your lifestyle. Your doctor will continue to make adjustments to the IOL until you achieve the most precise, accurate surgical vision correction possible. At Summit Eye Care, we provide the most technologically advanced eye care available in an environment designed to promote our patients' comfort and confidence. We look forward to helping you achieve a lifetime of better vision.